Hello friends, how are you doing everybody? Today I'm going to teach you how to install LAMP phpMyAdmin on DigitalOcean Droplet, how to access the droplet using SSH, and how to upload the files through FTP client. So let's start. First I'm going to create a droplet on DigitalOcean. Now here we see three options. So I'm going to click on one-click apps, as I want to install LAMP and phpMyAdmin. So I'm going to select phpMyAdmin. By default, it will install LAMP, that is Linux, Apache, MySQL, and PHP on your droplet. I'm going to choose the configuration of the server and my data center. I don't need the SSH key and other options. Let me just choose the host name, that is test, and click on create. It will just take few seconds to configure the droplet. Once it's configured, I will receive an email with the username and password to access the droplet. And I will use putty to access my droplet using SSH. If you don't have putty installed on your computer, I will provide the link of putty to download and install on your computer. Let's see. Here I receive the details of my droplet. Let me quickly open putty. Here is the IP address. Here is the password. Just right click and press enter. Fine. Now it is asking me to reset the password. So let me right click to copy and paste the existing password, hit enter. Now it is asking me to create a new password. So let me enter my new password which I want to create. Fine. Now I'm logged in on my server with the new password. So let us just check whether the server is working fine or not. So let me use this IP address to access. Wonderful. So Ubuntu is installed successfully. Let us just check whether I'm able to access phpMyAdmin. Great, I'm able to access the database phpMyAdmin also. Now how will I access the database, because I need the username and password to access this. So in order to access the database password, here is the command. Let me just copy this command and paste it on the terminal. You will see the password here for root. Let me just copy the root password. So username here is root and password go. I can access phpMyAdmin. From here we can create the new database and all the tables which I want. Now the next thing is, now if I want to upload my files on the server using the FTP client, that is FileZilla, how can I access that? So it's also very simple. Let me open my FTP client. In the host, I will put the same IP address which has been sent. Username will remain the same, which is root given in the email address, in the email. And the password is the new password which I've configured when I was accessing the SSH. I have connected to the server. I can upload my files here. Now the path to upload your files will be this one. Here you can see the PHP info file here. You can see the configuration of your server. Let us quickly upload one file on this server. Uploaded my file here. So it's working. So today we have configured the DigitalOcean droplet. We have installed LAMP, phpMyAdmin, and changed the password of the droplet through SSH. And we have also checked how to upload the files through FTP on your newly created DigitalOcean droplet. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot.